It reminds me of being happy. It reminds me being in love. It reminds me of being in a trance. It reminds me of being carried away by the beauty that surrounds me. So different smells, yeah, have different connotations, and I think the one that we're using for our film, the fragrance of is the fragrance of love and romance and gentleness. So I think it's very important, the feelings that fragrances invoke in you, and I think it happens for most of the people. I think it's extremely sweet what I'm doing. The guy who's kind of singing a song which has sad strings, and suddenly he smells something and he goes completely out of control in love, or it reminds him of being in love, which is the feeling, bekhan, uncontrollable, unharnessed, unbridled, and completely lovingly passionate. And the song also changes, the atmosphere changes, and everything that's happening around me changes with this wonderful fragrance of love that comes from, how do you say, the bathhouse.
दिल दे दिया है जहाँ तुम्हें देंगे, ये खुशबू कैसी सुरूर आ गया।
मधोशी में बहकती है, हर तरफ महकती है।
मधोशी में बहकती है, हर तरफ महकती है।
I think, in a certain sense, it's an extension of what people blame me to be too often, which is romantic and loving. And in this case, the object of desire or love, of course, Katrina notwithstanding, she's there and she's very beautiful. It's the fragrance that emanates from the fact that she's taking a bath in Lux. So I am someone who gets completely carried away. The way it's being shot, the way it is being projected, it will give hopefully a feeling of being, really in love, and it's a big scale. I like that part of it a lot. We have some Western filmmakers shooting it, and they shot it like the old school of India film. I can tell you from my heart, I think most of us have felt very happy doing this. So, and that's important. Well, you have extremely experienced people doing this, but yeah, this film about feeling is done with feeling.
बहार बेकाबू हुई।
How strange it is that I'm feeling like that doing this song, and I say this with earnestness, and we're making a film about feeling. Just being here for those 10 hours, I can tell you from my heart that the feeling part of the film will 100% come through, because I think most of us have felt very happy doing this. So, and that's important. It is extremely easy, when you have to have an object of love or desire in a film, and it's Katrina Kaif. So it's kind of the gentleness that she brings. I like the way she looks, the way she carries herself, and while working in the film also, everyone talks about her hard work and perseverance, and just giving it her best. We all do. But the kind of gentle quality she brings to work is extremely appreciated by me. I learn a lot from her, because it's a new experience for me to work with actors who do things differently. She does it very differently, so it's fantastic. And to do a dance with her, I don't have to do much. It looked like I'm leading, but she's leading. So she's a wonderful dancer. I'm still telling her to teach me Chikni Chameli steps. That's my ultimate goal as a creative actor, to learn Chikni Chameli steps. She'll kill me for saying this. But yeah, it's a pleasure to work with her. She's really kind and wonderful, and I'm really enjoying. I'm happy. I come on the sets, and normally work makes me extremely happy. And if I'm working with people who are friends and who are close to me, so it makes me happier. So it's a happy experience coming.